This is where Kerala Bitter Gourd begins. Fertile farmland shaped by climate, soil and generations of farming expertise. Kerala Bitter Gourd requires well-drained, loamy soil rich in organic matter.
Soil testing ensures optimal conditions for healthy Kerala Bitter Gourd growth.
Perfectly leveled soil sets the foundation for high-quality Kerala Bitter Gourd production.
Natural neem treatment safeguards Kerala Bitter Gourd roots without chemicals.
Seed treatment prevents early-stage diseases. A controlled nursery environment ensures strong Kerala Bitter Gourd seedlings. A light, well-aerated mix helps Kerala Bitter Gourd roots establish quickly.
Within days, Kerala Bitter Gourd life begins to emerge.
Strong seedlings ensure uniform field growth and higher yields. Proper spacing allows each Kerala Bitter Gourd vine to grow freely. Immediate watering reduces transplant shock. Efficient drip irrigation ensures precise moisture delivery.
Ease now. Watch the seedlings.
Okay, set it down slowly here.
Clear on this side.
Loose tying prevents vine stress while supporting growth. Balanced nutrition promotes strong vine development. Early pest detection protects crop yield. A clean field ensures healthy Kerala Bitter Gourd growth.
Bangui Porakala Pachimana Chetaga. Nandilekula Yesi a mating horrible, they bathe into Togana Pataka.
Organic solutions control pests without harming crops. Healthy plants recover quickly after targeted treatment. Flowering marks the start of fruit development.
Successful pollination leads to fruit formation.
Male flowers supply pollen essential for fruit formation. The crop enters its fruit development stage. Only female flowers develop into bitter gourds. Pollinated flowers quickly begin fruit development.
Kandirang Aringa Gola Chilikudrutu, Namada Munchimui. Either Manama Kangaku, Bade Pilicha.
Uniform shape ensures higher market value. Removing defects improves overall yield quality. Balanced nutrition supports uniform fruit growth. Balanced nutrition results in uniform fruit growth. Color indicates peak harvest readiness. The crop has reached full harvest maturity. Careful harvesting preserves quality. Proper handling begins at harvest. Harvest begins at peak freshness.
Careful handling prevents bruising.
Unit the Pantan mean Tangedon, then to Pandeli. Bend to Mataton to Yanako Matatanbili.
Single layer packing prevents pressure damage.
Damaged fruits are separated immediately.
Field-specific labels maintain product traceability. Crates transported safely to processing shed. Produce is now ready for post-harvest handling. Initial rinse removes field dust and soil. Continuous inspection ensures only high-quality Kerala Bitter Gourd proceed. Final rinse ensures hygienic, export-ready Kerala Bitter Gourd.
Grading ensures uniform product size for market and export standards.
Grade A fruits are selected for export and high-end markets. Grade B fruits are suitable for domestic markets.
Supervisor confirms quality before weighing and packaging.
Accurate weighing ensures proper packaging and shipping.
Batch weight standardized for consistent shipment. Cartons prepared to protect Kerala Bitter Gourd during transport. Accurate weighing is crucial for packaging and export standards. Batch weight standardized for consistent shipment. Linings protect Kerala Bitter Gourd during transport. Even placement ensures safe transport of Kerala Bitter Gourd. Cushioning protects Kerala Bitter Gourd from bruising. Accurate labeling ensures traceability for export and domestic markets. Palletizing ensures efficient warehouse management. Cold storage preserves Kerala Bitter Gourd freshness before distribution. FFO ensures freshness is maintained for each shipment of Kerala Bitter Gourd. Pallets loaded for transport while maintaining cold chain. Temperature-controlled transport maintains fruit freshness. Kerala Bitter Gourd transported efficiently to wholesale or export destinations. Efficient transport ensures Kerala Bitter Gourd reaches markets fresh.
Kerala Bitter Gourd reaches wholesale market in optimal condition.
Careful unloading preserves Kerala Bitter Gourd quality. Kerala Bitter Gourd reaches consumers through retail channels. Well-displayed Kerala Bitter Gourd attracts consumer attention.
Customers choose Kerala Bitter Gourd based on freshness and quality. Kerala Bitter Gourd reaches the consumer directly from farm to market chain.
Fresh Kerala Bitter Gourd, washed at home before cooking.
Bitter gourd sliced uniformly for cooking.
Seeds removed for proper cooking of Kerala Bitter Gourd.
Oil prepared to cook Kerala Bitter Gourd to perfection.
Kerala Bitter Gourd begins cooking with aroma released.
Bitter gourd cooked in traditional Kerala style, retaining nutrients. Bitter gourd cooked in flavorful curry for nutritious meal. Bitter gourd used in medicinal dish highlights its health benefits. Kerala Bitter Gourd served fresh from farm to table. Farm-grown Kerala Bitter Gourd brings healthy meals to the family table.
This crispy bitter gourd is amazing, Mom.
I'm glad you like it, dear.
Kerala Bitter Gourd provides essential nutrients and supports healthy living. Kerala Bitter Gourd dishes enjoyed fully, indicating taste and satisfaction. From Kerala soil to your dining table, freshness is preserved at every step.